Oh crap! Hello everyone, this is Big Al Hoffman Vlog. Like and subscribe! Good day everyone, welcome to the vlog. Today is day 3 of our 4-day journey out at the Black Hills and Badlands National Park. Right now we are at Badlands National Park and we're going to spend Sunday and part of Monday here before we head back home. We spent the night here in Cedar Pass Campground. It's pretty nice out here right now, but the forecast temperature for today is 100 degrees. Because yesterday when we hiked up Harney Peak, we each got burnt pretty good. I think it was a lot of wind burn or something, because it seems like everybody is not as red today as they were yesterday. So and the dry heat sneaks up on you, just not used to it. In Minnesota it's not dry heat, it's kind of humid out when it's this warm, usually at least a little bit. But it is completely dry here, my hands are dry and everything. So we're probably going to go to Wall, South Dakota, which is where Wall Drug is. We're going to see what Wall Drug's all about. Plus they got 5-cent coffee, so we're going to go check that out. I got to get my coffee, that'd be awesome. I haven't had a coffee in a couple days. It's just, it's not something I'm addicted to, but it's something that really tastes good in the morning. So let's get this day started, and we're going to go get it today. Oh yeah. It's a very breezy, windy day out here today. This is our campground. Usually associate campgrounds with trees and everything. There's absolutely no trees in the campground here. This is different for us. We're used to having little coves and stuff, but everything's out in the wide open, and you can see everybody in the campground, but most people have left already. We'll catch you at the next stop. Alright, we decided to take a cruise up to Wall, South Dakota. We're going to go to Wall Drug here. You guys ready to go into Wall Drug?
Definitely.
Yep. Yeah, we saw lots of signs on the way out here. Blake and Nick were getting a real good kick out of these signs.
They're really funny.
What was their favorite sign that they had that you saw? You don't remember? Do you know?
One of the signs said, "Kids love Wall Drug."
Yeah.
If you think of it in a bad way, then it's really funny.
Exactly. All right, let's go check out Wall Drug and check out the downtown strip of this city. It looks pretty Old West-like, so we'll check this out.
Remember when love was all that mattered? I do. Remember how I used to make you love until it hurt. Now those memories felt like thorns on a bush, a rose I can no longer touch. They're just another scar placed on my heart, a sign that we are made to be apart. And even though you might not be the one, I'm gonna miss you.
So this place is just a series of stores all nestled into one like big mall area. You walk in and then you can walk all the way through all the stores inside the whole thing, so it's pretty wild. They got a whole bunch of wood statues in this place. Gonna get a few of these for you. Here we go.
We fought so hard, we dragged us down, and basically watched how we had drowned. And even though I know you're not the one, I'm gonna miss you.
This place is just one humongous souvenir shop. It's amazing. What do you guys think of this place?
Cheapest. It's great.
You like it? What do you guys think of this place?
It's pretty unique.
Well, got my 5-cent coffee here. All set to go now. A little bit of caffeine. How about how's your 5-cent coffee?
I don't know, too hot to try.
Oh, okay. How's your oh wait, that's not a 5-cent coffee.
That's a $2 pop.
Oh yeah, anyways, gonna drink this up. We're gonna get back in the Badlands National Park. Well, that was a very interesting place. It's like a whole cluster of souvenir shops is what it is, all in one big building, and they call it Wall Drugs. We didn't want to spend a lot of time there because we want to get back into the Badlands. We got to pick a couple things up in town here, like some ice and fill up the car and stuff like that. Then we're going to get back into the Badlands and see where the Badlands take us. Now we stopped for gas before we went back into the park and found a 80-foot dinosaur. Pretty wild. Gonna take some pictures of Nick standing by this thing here, and then we'll put that on Instagram as well. That'd be cool. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. This is the Hay Butte look, everybody. We'll see how this looks down here. It looks pretty good from up here. I'm gonna walk down to a area down there that's a little bit downhill. Show you what this is all about. This is pretty awesome. I can't believe how beautiful this area is down here. I'm standing on a part here that's out in the middle of it, and it's unbelievable. The camera does not do it justice. This is amazing, unbelievably amazing. It is like super windy out here, so hopefully the audio is good. But we're at Roberts Prairie Dog Town here. This road here is absolutely like it's terrible. It's like a washboard the whole way. So this is as far as we're going to go on this road. It keeps going and going and going. We're just going to walk out here in the field here. We're going to see if we can get some video of some prairie dogs, then we'll start heading back. So what do you think of this wind, Nick?
It's too windy.
Yeah, I agree. Got this nice little outlook here. Gonna go check it out real quick. All kinds of stuff to see off the side of the road. Definitely a nice place, and there's a lot of wildlife here. Now at the Pinnacles overlook here. Go check this out. There's a little pathway walking around this area. Living on the edge, baby. Oh, maybe I'll see if I can get out here on this thing here. All right, Blake, what do you think of this place here?
Very, very dusty and a lot of cliffs.
And a lot of wind. All right,
Ridiculous.
this is a pretty cool area out here. Although everything's pretty awesome out here. The way these things are formed and everything, views everywhere.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Well, we're back in here a little ways here, and Kaylee's doing some more climbing. Right there. She's doing a little bit of climbing. This is what she likes to do. She likes to climb up rocks and stuff like that, so this is her cup of tea. So we'll let her do this for a little while, and then we'll go off and do our hike. Well, we're climbed up on top of this thing here. You okay? This guy over here almost matches the landscape here. They almost didn't see him. Didn't see him if he didn't have his black shoes on. I don't see him. And black hair.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me.
Well, we're up here at Fossil Trail. That's the whole trail down there. It's a really short one. But we're up here on one of these things up here. It's going to be interesting getting back down. It's going to be pretty slippery, but it'll be fun. But yeah, we're going to go hike this next. We're going to walk around these boardwalks here. So here we go. Saddle Pass Trail, and it's super windy here too. Very windy day today. Here's the beginning of the trail right here. We'll see where she goes. It's only supposed to be a quarter mile there and back, so it's going to be a little short one. All right, here we go. All right, we made it up to the top of Saddle Pass up here. This is really interesting. It's going to be fun getting back down. It's pretty steep going back down there. But yeah, it's well worth the trip up here. We'll slide back down and hopefully not slide too fast. But we got a nice view up here anyway. That's a good reason to do it. Anyways, it's still windy out here. It's probably about 98, 99 degrees out here, but with the wind and the dry heat, it doesn't even feel that warm. It's not bad out here, hardly sweat at all. You just got to make sure you got liquids. All these hikes we're doing are really short ones, so I mean the parking lot's just right down there. But we're on the Cliff Shelf Nature Trail here. That sun up there is just really hazy here. My hair is just all messed up from wind and everything today. It's crazy. Here we go down the trail here. Looks like this trail goes around in a complete circle here and comes back around to a parking lot we started at. So the two boys went off the other way. We're gonna meet them halfway. We're gonna go down around this way through these junipers and then up over here, and they're over there right now. This has got to be the second easiest trail we've went on, all boardwalk. So yeah, this is all right for the end of the day trail. This is going to be our last thing of the day. After this, we're going to head back to camp. We went back to camp in between, and it's been so windy today that it knocked our tents over. So we bunched them all up, threw them in the vehicle, and wind's supposed to die down tonight. So hopefully we'll be able to set them up decently. Well, it is now the next day. The Badlands treated us very well. It was very windy yesterday and knocked our tents over, so we made a stop through here halfway through the day, and the tents were halfway across our campsite, so we decided to roll them up and throw them back in the car. And when we got back, when it got close to dark, the wind died down for us. We were able to set the tents up, and then we got some stakes in them and stuff like that, because it got windy again last night. It was pretty windy last night. I didn't expect it to be that windy, but it was, so we just had to deal with it. So I'm going to close out the vlog right now, and we'll start up the vlog for day number 4 right after this. I'll start it up. So anyways, it was a great time here. It was 100 degrees yesterday, but it did not feel like 100 degrees at all. It was dry heat, and I would say it probably felt like about 85 degrees, unless you were out of the wind, because it was super windy, so it kept us cool. Anyways, make sure you share it, no matter what anyone else thinks, because that's what makes you you, that's what makes you unique, and that's what makes you stand out, and that's what makes you awesome. So don't be afraid to sign it, and say it with me: passion.